Hi, my name is Arnel Weibe. I'm a graduate of the Fine Woodworking course at Selkirk College. Something that's made of real wood it's already amazing to look at. And then when you mill it and cut it and shape it and put it together, then it becomes something that's yours as well. It's what you can produce from the wood that I like. I compared other schools. I had heard quite a bit about the reputation of Selkirk. The quality of the instructors there was really good, so that's one of the reasons why I went there. I think one of the most positive things was the amount that we learned. There's just so much, and it went from one end of the spectrum to the other. It was almost like doing a full apprenticeship, you know. We got everything from hand tools and then to the machines and then all the way up to CNC. And I thought that was one of the really cool parts about it. Everything that they covered with the fundamentals and everything, it was solid, you know. The way it was laid out and how they did things, it suited exactly what I was looking for. When I look back and I think about all the things that we went through and how they got us to this point, I think that's what gave me the confidence. I know a lot of it is just going to be trial and error and experimentation, but they definitely laid the foundation for me.